completeness of fittings before installation. Take out 8 fixed components. Figure out the top, middle, and bottom of the fixed components. Please note, for the installation, right angle upward, round corners downward for the middle of each component. Step 1. Ground floor installation. Install 6 vertical pipes and 3 horizontal pipes on the left and right sides of the fixed components. Then pass the 6 big holes in the bottom of the cloth cover through each of the 6 vertical pipes in the base. Step 2. Middle fixed components installation. Connect the fixed component hose in the middle layer with the top of the vertical pipes in the bottom. Then, connect it with the horizontal pipes in the middle layer. Please note, use 2 fixators in advance when connecting the horizontal pipes in the middle layer. Once the middle horizontal pipes are connected, fix them with the middle fixators. Next, it comes to the installation of the 6 vertical pipes in the middle layer. Please refer to the procedure of bottom installation. Step 3. Upper fixed components installation. Connect 3 horizontal fixators. Next, install the vertical pipes on the left and right sides of the upper layer. Once installed, seal the top part of the dryer. Install the top fixed components to the top of upper vertical pipes. Then, install the 3 horizontal pipes on the top. Next, pull up the dryer cover and adjust it. In this way, the assembly is complete. Put the engine at the bottom of the dryer. Adjust and fix its air outlet to the air inlet at the bottom of the cover. Smart dryer, enjoyable and cozy life.